Well, we created a book and it saved on database successfully. Now, let's create a new route to get all books from database. We use app.get because this is a get method. The route of this method is again /books, but it is different from previous route. That was a post method and this is a get method and they are different. Again, let's have an async callback function to handle our request. And on catch, I receive the error, log it to the server console, and then I return a response with the status of 500 and the error message. Then in try block, I use book.find and pass it an empty object to get list of all books from database and save it in a books variable. Then we can return a status of 200 and send books to the client. Let's go to the postman and check it. So let's create a new request and choose get for our method and type the URL. I use the previous URL with the /books and then click the send button to see the result. Then we receive the list of books as an array and the status is 200. That's good, but let's have a better output for this route. So I want to have a shape for this output. Let's go back to its route and instead of sending just a books, let's create a new object and in this object I want to send two values. A count that would be books.length and the data that would be our books. Now let's go back to Postman and test it again. And that's it. You can see that now I have a better structure for my data.